right, guys. So first up, we have a sealed case being shared, and that is the first thing I'm going to do is open this up for you. I don't know. I guess look at the top camera. Let's see here. All right, so PaulD is taking the left side, and nothing but Bowman is taking the right side. So this is the right side, so that goes to nothing but Bowman, and this is the left side, so that goes to PaulD. So here we go. So this video is for PaulD, okay? He's got half a case of 22 Bowman Jumbo. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put this here. Actually, that's a bad place for it. I'm gonna put it on top of these other ones. There we go. Okay. Hey, Mosstown, how are you? How are you? It is not looking good for the Phillies. What are they, down 3 right now? All right, here we go. Now you get every card, but I'm going to skip to the middle. Tyler Hardman and Adele Amador is your first pack. You get 3 autos each box. So here's to hoping they get better. Usually there's a color or a refractor in each box. Yeah, I saw. Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Nice line there through the Adley. Colson Montgomery and James Wood and Trey Sweeney. It's a good bunch of base chrome there in a row. Yeah, it's not going down too far. Okay, here we go. Hopefully they're not all turned around like that. They are. Oh yeah? Nothing, huh? Tyler Soderstrom with a color match. Let me bring this camera down a little. I had it up for the reveal. Oh, that's too far. No, Hairmore? I don't know. Julio. It's a nice card. These are a little stuck here. Let's see if I can fix that. George Valera. All right. 2 autos still out there. Got something. Julio. Jose Ramos. Jose Ramos Speckle. Yeah, I just got to move inventory. You know what I mean? That's all I'm trying to do. Without Bowman Draft, Bowman Draft usually, ends my year. And it pays a lot of bills, But this year, without Bowman Draft, I'm in a little bit of trouble. So I've just, instead of leaving stuff on the shelf, to sell it in March, which is where I prefer to sell Bowman, I am going to just blow it out, to be honest with you. I've got Chrome coming, but I only have 60 cases of Chrome, So, Alexander Canario, 250. Alexander Canario. So even with Bowman Chrome, you know, it's nothing compared to what I do with draft. Adam Mako. So that's it. No color auto in this first box. Just that one refractor. Adley. Bryson Stott. Bobby Witt. Okay. All right. You know, I don't know about other breakers, but no Bowman draft really hurts for me. It'll hurt my staff, too, because I always pay bonuses, year-end bonuses with Bowman draft. I don't have it. Yeah, I don't know. I know they keep saying it'll be out 12/14, right? I know they're saying that, and God, I sure wish it's true, but they haven't even solicited it yet. Do you know what I mean? They solicit draft 6 months before it comes out. So what that means is, like, Blowout can't even order it yet, you know? They might have just gotten it this week because they called me about draft. Pedro Leon and Peguero, right? So I know some people have it on their calendar for the 14th, but there's no way. Victor Labrada, you know. Like, for instance, for Bowman Chrome, right? I could order Bowman Chrome almost a year ago. You know what I mean? Like 6-7 months ago. I put in my order for Bowman Chrome. So for Topps to say, you know, yeah, draft's coming out the 14th, I have a real hard time believing it, you know? Sure would be great, though. I wouldn't be mad. There's just no way. They did move up Bowman Chrome, though. They moved it up 1 week. So that gives them a little bit more time. I remember one year, I want to say it was 2014. One year they put out Bowman Chrome and Topps Chrome the same day. It wasn't on purpose. So what had happened is all the people that ordered Bowman Chrome and Topps Chrome, which was everybody, right? They accidentally shipped half the people Bowman Chrome instead of Topps Chrome. So people got Bowman Chrome that was coming out like 2 weeks later instead of Topps Chrome. This is during the National. And what they ended up doing is just releasing everything. They were like, you know what? We messed up. Here's everything. It was a crazy year. I want to say that was 2014. It was bad. It was bad because now everybody had to sell both Topps Chrome and Bowman Chrome at the same time. So it was pretty messed up. I got my Topps Chrome from Blowout, but all the LCS around me, they all got Bowman Chrome. So I traded, you know. I traded. And then I ended up getting Bowman Chrome a few days later. Zach Veen color match. It's a nice card. We haven't been hit by sex info in a long time. I can just block those two words together. You know, it's like one word, sex info. That'll take care of that. That's how I got rid of the other one. XYZ. I just blocked XYZ. Remember XYZ dating? They used to get us all the time. So I blocked the letters XYZ, right? Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm not mad about it. Quintero. I'm used to working through Thanksgiving, you know. That's how it used to be. And with only 60 cases, it's nothing, you know. I'm used to 150, 200, 300, 450 cases. You know what I mean? So 60 cases, especially with them being a third of them being HTA, that's nothing, you know. HDA cases an HDA case is 12 packs, 36 cards. That's it. That's all it is, the entire case. You know? So, I mean, that's nothing. You can do a whole case in like 12 minutes. Noel, nice auto. Refractor auto. Johnsky Noel. I'm still shaky from that drinking break last night. Whew. Still can't find my car keys. still can't find them. It depends on the checklist and when we get the checklist. What kind of breaks I can do, you know? So, I don't know. I've got 51 cases. That's all I've got. So I'm thinking I'll keep one case out for like mystery boxes and that kind of thing. But that still leaves me 50 cases. So I could do like a 10 caser and then turn that into a 40. Or I could do two 25s, or I don't know. Usually I start small and I do like 20 cases. But since I only have 50, I might do 10 and then 40. I think that's what I'll probably do. Are you drinking right now? Hey, that's the way to do it. We drank last night, and it might have been too much. I don't know. I didn't feel as drunk, but I don't know where my car keys are. So, yeah, I don't know. Errol Vera. I had him when I went in because Jay Brooks is the one who ended up taking us home because my wife never answered the phone. So Jay Brooks drove us home, and I know I used my keys to get into the house, but after that, I don't know where they are. You know? They're somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, no, I don't remember. My wife and I looked everywhere today, like everywhere, and could not find them. Sawinski. Oh, home run hitting Jack Sawinski. Purple auto. Traded off my car. It wouldn't surprise me any. Brennan Davis. The boy said I wasn't as drunk. I don't think I was that drunk either. But the fact I can't find my car keys probably probably lends some credence to I was pretty drunk. Misael Urbina. But I'm out of rattlesnakes, and I just threw away like 9 shot glasses, so I definitely drank. Yeah, I mean, maybe. Wander Franco. Bobby Witt. Here is a base auto of Nico Cavadas. Julio. Cal Raleigh. Big dumper. Cal Raleigh. Let's put some of these up here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was crazy. All right, here is Ryan Bliss. Ryan Bliss, purple auto. You haven't hit a rare auto yet. I mean, couple purples, but that's it. You might have left. You might have left the big color in the second half. I don't know. You still got a box to go. They could technically have a red auto in there. All right, one more box. Yeah, people were trying to kill me last night. I have a spare car key, and I had a spare shop key in my car. So once I got here, I was able to get into the shop. But I don't have a house key. I don't have a key to the shed. Eduardo Vaughn. Eduardo Vaughn? So that part is bad. All right, 2 autos left. You've got 1 base to start. Yeah, that would be nice. Gold Ellie. Was that 2 purple in 1 box? Normally there's just 1 color. Yeah, Jack Sawinski. None were a rookie either. Sometimes if one's a rookie, that'll happen. '21 draft is weird, where if you get an orange or better, you usually have a gold or better also. You know, you might end up hitting 2 orange or 2 black, but you know, it's generally if you hit an orange or gold, you've got another orange or gold or something like that. You know what I mean? But not in 22. Peguero. Jackson Churio. Oh, that's a nice Marcelo. Marcelo to 150. Luis Rodriguez. Jake Berger. James Wood, Trey Sweeney. Yeah, I know he is a rookie, but that's not his rookie card. Dominguez. All right, be a big name. Larry Ernesto to 299. Speckle. All right, you still have 1 more auto, right? I think there's still 1 more in here. Yeah. Bobby Witt. Jose Rodriguez. I love the Lava. Lava's a great design. Lava and Ray Wave, to be honest with you, are great designs. Felix Velario. That's not a terrible name. Felix Velario. Good, solid, high, mid-tier. Khalil. Colson Montgomery. All right. Let's see what you left on the table. First, let me do a recap, and then we'll open the other half here, okay? All right, we have Jose Rodriguez, Felix Velario, Larry Ernesto, Marcelo, Eduardo Vaughn, Blaze Jordan, Ryan Bliss, Nico Cavadas, Nolan Arenado, Jack Sawinski, Quintero, Luca Tresh, Noel, Ryu, Quintero, Zach Veen, Alan Cerda, Pedro Leon, Peguero, Victor Labrada, Jose Ramos, Luis Verdugo, Alexander Canario, Adam Mako, Tyler Soderstrom, Tyler Harderman, and Adele Amador. And that is 4 jumbo boxes for Paul D. Let me save your video, and then we'll do the other half, okay?